The first page of network solution is the all post. The unlogged user will be 3 options on the top of page: see all posts, login or register. User is not allowed to make operations until signed in. For start, new user need make a registration. By click on register. In register page, a new user need provide the username, email address, and password. Finally, click register button. After register, user will be redirected to all posts page, allowed to make all operations and posts messages. Include the access to new pages, following, follows, new post and log out. In all posts page is allowed only for signed-in users. Displays posts from all users chronologically, with the most recent posts appearing first. All posts with the username of poster user has ability to view user profile by clicking button with the username. Post content. Date and time of creation the post. Number of likes the post has. User has ability to like and unlike a post by clicking like button, and ability to follows the owner's post by clicking follows button. The unsigned-in users will see all information provided from all posts page, but not will see button to make actions. All posts page displays 10 posts per page with next and previous buttons for navigating through multiple pages of posts. For create posts, click on New Post option. The new post box is showing at top of all posts page. Insert a new post text and submit. Then that post will be the first, because the posts are ordered by the most recent posts first. To edit your posts, you must go to all posts page. Localize your post to edit and click Edit button. Then the post editing page will be displayed. To save the changes, click the Save button and the post content will be replaced with a text area for editing. To view user profiles, go to All Posts, and clicking a username loads the corresponding user's profile page. The user profile page has username, email, user's follower count, user's following count, and follow or unfollow button to toggle following status. In the user profile, below user profile, all posts user are displayed. The following page displays posts from all users followed by the currently logged in user. Functions like to the all posts page, but with a filtered set of posts. Logged in user is not allowed to following themselves. In follows page, user will see a list of follows and, by click unfollow button, has the possibility of the unfollow users. Finally, by clicking on log out, the user will be unsigned in and the all post page is displayed like the initial state.